Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to sign up for bunq quickly and correctly. Start by downloading the bunq app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and get started. Then go ahead and enter your phone number or your email ID. Then make sure your password includes letters, numbers and special characters so your account stays secure. Next, you'll enter your personal details like your full name, date of birth, and residential address. This information must match your official ID because bunq is licensed with the bank and needs accurate information. After that, choose your plan that fits you the best. Bunq usually offers different account tiers with different features, so pick the one that you works for you the best. Then you'll confirm your phone number using a verification code sent by SMS. Enter that code to continue. Once everything is filled correctly, your account setup will move to the identity verification stage. That's it. That's how you sign up for bunq and get started with your digital banking account. Subscribe for more quick fixes.